Steamed flour crabs homemade recipe. Wash flour crabs. Put some water on the pan and boil. Put in the flour crabs. Cover up and boil for 10 minutes. Flip and cook the other sides. You can add some water if water is not enough. Cook for another 10 minutes. Flip and cook on high heat for a while. The crabs are ready to serve. Serve the crabs onto a plate. Steamed flour crabs. Flour crabs turn red when cooked and smells really good. Cut open and start eating. Tastes good naturally without added any spices, even salt.
Mmm, yummy.